The following is a fatal four-way match. Making his way to the ring from East London, weighing in at 218 pounds, Travis Woods.
The incredible accomplishments, the storied feats of strength, the pure talent of this individual is just astonishing.
Wait, did they write that down for you to read on air? Like, it sounds exactly like what I heard them saying in the mirror backstage.
He calls himself the standard bearer of this division and plans on proving it in a matter of moments.
Oh yeah, I am pumped for this guy.
And his opponents, first, from Columbia, South Carolina, weighing in at 233 pounds, Jacob Murphy!
Matches like these, with talent of this caliber, this is why sports entertainment is an art form. A competitor who always has his game face on, ready for a major battle.
The WWE Universe just exploded.
And from Newark, New Jersey, weighing in at 234 pounds, Aaron Wolf.
Such a tenacious talent, always digging down deep to get the win.
Well, that's what's endeared them so much to the WWE Universe.
You know what happens when you dig down deep all the time? You bury yourself and you fall to the bottom, and that's exactly what's going to happen tonight.
We are about to see something good.
And from Brisbane, Australia, weighing in at 235 pounds, Stuart Dunn!
I can't watch this entrance. I heard this one backstage talking up their own work non-stop. Well, why don't they get in the ring and prove it, huh?
That's what they're doing right now, Corey.
Well, good. Let's see what they've got then. He is in perhaps the best shape of his career, and he will need that with the competition level this high.
With the bell, we're kicking off this fatal four-way.
This is a grueling match. No disqualification and only one winner. Not only do you have to worry about getting a win, you have to make sure no one else beats you to it. Debilitating attacks like that are exactly how you create a big opening.
Ouch! Practically never-ending blows. Coming at full force here.
Agility like that, easier said than done, gentlemen.
Danger is constantly lurking in a no disqualification match. Interference has to be a concern for these superstars.
While it certainly can be a factor, I don't think it should be a concern. The only thing you should be concerned about is getting the win. Being able to pull that off, no one is going to question if you skip going to the gym today.
a sling blade. And a basement drop kick.
Oh, with authority. He answers right back. Stops that offense from connecting. And right into the pin.
Uh-oh.
Oh, sometimes you just gotta show off and show out.
Calculating the next move here.
Sit-out powerbomb.
Just refusing to give up. Continues fighting.
Clothesline. So effective. Oh, the physicality on display there. Unbelievable. Looks like that really got him there.
And a big right hand.
He counters with a great reversal.
And I think that just opened him up.
Yep, certainly did.
Goodness, look at the blood flowing.
The cover for the win.
Stopping the ref's count just in time.
Oh, that'll swell up.
Saw it coming. It counters it. Caught with a punch. Forearms for the second rope.
Driving down. He's rising to his feet in a perilous situation.
Slingshot
Into the shoulder block. Oh, God, right to the cranium.
Oh! This is just turning into a savage display.
setting up in the corner.
With a Glasgow send-off.
He's got his sights locked in now.
And here we go.
That hit flush. He ate all of them.
Looking for the victory. Sent into the corner. Oh, strong impact. He's certainly feeling that attack.
Jeez.
Take all the wind out of you.
Boom, right in the button.
And clothesline.
Double leg takedown, got the shoulders down.
He's able to end the pin count there.
Big boot.
Shots to the body.
Oh, what a hook. Oh, my God, a steel chair. Caving in the abdomen. Going for a power slam, slips down.
Counted into an inverted DDT.
Moving into the ring. Solid punch. Face buster plants him.
And he's busted open. We need to get the doctors out here quick.
Kick to the body, into the code red.
Able to slip out of that one. As was set up in the corner of the ring. Dropped right on their face.
You have to imagine we're hitting the late stages of this matchup. Who's going to dig deeper at this point?
They might just take that extra push, that extra inch further to create the difference.
Ooh, back elbow puts a stop.
Rolling thunder.
Rolling thunder stunner. Big move, could produce a win.
Two breaks the count.
What are you saying? This is amazing.
Time to end this.
He might be getting his hand raised soon.
And here's the cover. Makes the cover. And got the win. That is a huge win here tonight. These superstars put on quite a show. Here's another look.
here is your winner, Travis Woods!
Take a look at the winner of this fatal four-way match, ladies and gentlemen.
All four of these men were prepared for a hard-fought match, and that is exactly what they delivered.